Hey Specka Spartans, I'm back again. You probably already saw a video on unit rate for Mr. Rez, but I'm just gonna actually go over a question for you, okay? So remember, when you find the unit rate you are dividing, you're finding out how much one item costs. So let's look at the question. Erica paid $18.80 for 8 earrings. Let's annotate $18.80. I'm gonna circle 8 earrings. At this rate, how much would it cost Erica to buy 20 earrings? So we need to figure out the cost for 20 earrings. So when you find the unit rate, you need to label the two quantities or the two items that they're comparing. In this question, they're comparing cost or money to the number of earrings. So I'm gonna label first my numerator, cost by earrings. Now, I'm going to take the first sentence, which is in black, and I'm going to substitute $18.80 on the numerator because that's the cost. So I'm gonna take my black marker and make my dollar sign, $18.80. It's $18.80 for 8 earrings, so 8 goes on the bottom. Now that's division. So I'm gonna turn this into a division question. So I'm gonna go on the other side and show you and write what that looks like. I'm now gonna divide $18.80 by 8 to figure out the cost of 1 earring first. So 8 on the outside into $18.80. Bring up my decimal, my dollar sign. 8 does not go into 1, put a 0. Goes into 18 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. I subtract 18 from 6, I arrive at 2. Let me just move this over. Bring up the decimal point, bring down the 8. 8 goes into 28 3 times because 3 times 8 is 24. I subtract 28 from 4, 24, and I get 4. Bring down my 0. 8 times what is 40? 5. So now, this $2.35 represents the cost of 1 earring. So I'm gonna write that here. So it's $2.35 for 1 earring. Now, I'm gonna erase what I did in red in the division to show you the next part, which is the green question. Okay, so 1 earring is $2.35. I need to figure out how much 20 are going to cost. So again, I matched up cost, numerator, earrings, denominator. I'm gonna do the same exact procedure to figure out how much 20 is. 20 earrings is the denominator, the bottom. So now I have to ask myself, how do I go from 1 to 20? Obviously, I multiply by 20. So whatever I do to the denominator, which is the bottom, I do to the numerator. So I multiply 20 here, which means I multiply 20 on top to get the cost. So let me show you what that looks like. I'm not interested in the decimal point right now. I will put it in after. So I'm just gonna write 235 times 20. 0 times 5, 0. 0 times 3, 0. 0 times 2, 0. Cross this out. Put my smiley face to hold my place. 2 times 5, 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 3, 6. Plus 1, 7. 2 times 2, 4. Now I'm going to add it up. 0, 0, 7, 4. Now I got to figure out where does this decimal go. And if I look here, the decimal's in between the 2 and the 3. There are 2 places after the decimal. So I'm going to write 2 DP for decimal place. When there's a whole number, the decimal is to the right of the ones place every single time. So I'm going to put it to the right of the ones. I now move the decimal 2 to the left. 1, 2. So the cost now is going to be $47 for 20 earrings. Thank you.